Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Bose SoundLink Flex to your iPhone. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Bose SoundLink Flex. How do you actually go ahead and connect it to your iPhone? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you first want to do is that you want to power on your Bose SoundLink Flex.
Battery 50. Connected to and iPad 7.
So when you first turn it on, it'll tell you how much battery is left, and then it'll also tell you what devices it's currently connected to. Now in order to connect it to your iPhone, you want to press and hold this Bluetooth icon.
Ready to connect another device. Disconnected. iPad 7. Disconnected.
And then you'll see that the light is flashing blue. So the really good thing about Bose SoundLink Flex is that it really does tell you when it's actually in the pairing mode. So on your iPhone, you want to click on settings, and then underneath settings, you want to navigate to where it says Bluetooth, and then you want to find your Bose SoundLink Flex. So give it a couple of seconds to actually find, and there we have it. Our Bose SoundLink Flex is right over here, so click on that.
Connected to John Carlos iPhone.
And there you have it. You'll now get a spoken notification that your Bose SoundLink Flex has been connected to your iPhone. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Bose SoundLink Flex to your iPhone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.